Hello! So, another vlog! Another walking vlog. I'm going to go to the Peak District today. I was meant to get up a lot earlier than this. There's a robin just landed in front of me. Look, can you see him? How cute! Ah, there he goes. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, going for a walk. It is a lovely day outside. You can see... Oh, no, there we go. Look, lovely blue skies. Yeah, I was planning to get up and go really early this morning, try and see the sunrise, get a really long hike in, but I work pretty late now, so I didn't go to sleep until 1:30 and my alarm went off at 6:30 to try and get me up, and I did not want to get up. So it is now 12:30 and I'm finally leaving. I'm still going to do a little hike. But it's an hour drive there, so I won't get there until 1:30, so I don't want to do anything that risks... I might still do it. Still gives me like a solid 3 hours. We'll see. I best get going though, because otherwise I'm definitely not going to be able to do it, but let's go have explore. Woo! So I can't snore. So, I've made it to Castleton. As you can see, I'm all bundled up now because it's snowing. It's actually snowing, but look how cute. How cute this is. So I'm going up here. That is the castle. That's where I'm going, and yeah, it's super cute, and it's actually snowing as we speak. So I don't think I'm going to do the whole big walk, just because it might be a bit dangerous. So I've made it to Peak Cavern, and apparently it's called the Devil's Arse. And more to the point, apparently the Devil's Arse sings. Brilliant. But yeah, this is it. The Devil's Arse. So shall we go have a go inside the Devil's Arse, shall we? And of course it's closed. It looks pretty cool though. You've got quite a view going back. Nice. We're not having much luck. So the castle and the Peak Cavern were both closed. I'm gonna try Cave Dale now. Hopefully that is open. Yeah. Take 3, come on, let's see. It's pretty though, it's so pretty here. Oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, let's try and find somewhere that's open. So please excuse this. There's something going with my eye and I'm not entirely sure what it is. But it is 9 o'clock. Yes, it is 9 o'clock in the morning. And I'm going to the Peak District again. Woo! So yeah, I'm going to go on a proper hike today. Apparently Storm Cure or whatever it is has eased up. So yeah, I'm going to take advantage of the fact it's relatively nice and go for a nice long walk. So let's go. So I don't know if you can hear me because it is slightly windy, although it's died down at the moment. So I'm in the Peak District. But yeah, I'm just walking along this ridge now, and then I'm going to kind of loop down towards Castleton, back via Winnets Pass to the car park. So it's supposedly like a 4-hour walk. So hopefully it'll take me about 4 hours, although I keep stopping to take pictures and video, and yeah, so it'll probably take me a bit longer than 4 hours, but that's okay. It's not even midday yet, so I've got loads of time. Yeah, it's stunning up here. It's absolutely beautiful and I love it. I'm very happy with the fact that this is literally an hour's drive away. Yeah, anyway, I thought I'd just come on and say hello, show you how red my face is from the wind and the cold, and yeah, let's keep exploring. pretty. Oh my god. You can hear me squelching through the sludge, which is yeah, I can't I am now heading up there. Oh, there's a bit of snow on my camera as well. Into Castleton and then up along here, and what I have left to go is up here.